Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonam Verma and I am from Giridih Jharkhand. And look at the weather becomes so bright, and I am don't feeling like wearing sweater now. So it's 11:30 and I was just enjoying the weather, like soaking the sun. And right now I was just practicing English with ChatGPT. So I thought let's start like recording the video how I practice my English with ChatGPT. And of course you have a doubt like how to learn English without any partner. So I'm going to share my experience how I practice English with ChatGPT. Hi ChatGPT, can you hear me? Yeah, I am doing great and fantastic. So, I am a beginner and I have started 60-day English speaking challenge. So, can you help me with that?
Speaking practice, pronunciation, vocabulary, some conversational scenarios. Just let me know what specific areas you want to focus on, and we'll get started.
So, suppose that I am a beginner. So, what the area I have to improve a lot? I have to work on that. So, what is the importance of tenses? If even I started like learning English, so could you please tell me in briefly and like a very simple way so I can understand?
Of course, as a beginner, it's really important to focus on a few key areas. First, building your vocabulary is essential so you can express yourself easily. Second, understanding and using tenses is crucial because they help you convey when actions happen, whether in the past, present, or future. And third, practicing simple conversations will help you gain confidence and fluency. We can start with basic sentences and gradually build up from there. Just let me know what you'd like to begin with.
So I am going to describing a day and you can just correct me like where I did mistake. So shall we start?
Absolutely. That sounds great. Go ahead and describe your day, and I'll listen carefully. Then I'll help you with any corrections or suggestions to improve. Let's get started.
So I wake up early in the morning, then I brushed my teeth, then I started my day. I did a morning affirmation, then I completed morning chores I finished some work here and there, and then I ate my breakfast, and now I am practicing English with you. So could you please correct my mistake where I did?
You did really well. Just a couple of small corrections. First, instead of saying I brushed my teeth, you can say I brushed my teeth. That's perfect. And instead of I did a morning formation, you could say something like or I did my morning prayers. Also, instead of I completed morning chores, like I finished some work here and there, you can say I completed chores or I finished some tasks. Overall, you did great and your description was clear. Just keep practicing and you'll get more comfortable with the tenses.
So, I have a question for you. I have started 60-day English speaking challenge. So, in those days, what I have to like learn so my fluency become better and better day by day. So, could you please tell me?
Absolutely. First, start with building a strong vocabulary base, including common words and phrases used in daily conversations. Gradually move on to mastering different tenses, past, present, and future, so you can speak accurately. Another important area is practicing. So try to have daily conversations, even if it's just with yourself or with a partner. Also incorporate listening practice, like watching short videos or listening to podcasts in English. And finally, keep reviewing and practicing speaking regularly so you can confident see step by step along the way.
And like 60-day English speaking challenge, and we have entered 22nd. This is the 22nd day, and the rest of days will be more interesting, more fun, and more informative. So if you are a beginner and you wanna like learn English effectively, so this is the bestest channel ever. So immediately subscribe to my channel and like the video.